Yo, hello everyone. Today in this podcast, we are talking about nutrition and what's good and what's not good for you. You definitely don't want to eat any food from the shops because you're gonna sneeze like that. um, I just want to encourage everyone to eat from fresh food from farmers. Support the farmers, please. Your local farmers, they need that. You want fresh, good food, then eat from the farmers. Don't eat from the shops. You want to eat crap, you want to feel like crap, then eat crap and feel like crap. But then don't whinge. Oh, I have to go to doctors. I have constipation again. Oh my gosh. Stop. Just stop. Right? Eat your bloody veggies. Stop doing that. Stop eating bread. No rice. Eat potatoes, but not too many. They have starch as well. Greens, eat lots of greens. Drink lots of juices from vegetables, even from red cabbage. Even from that. Even celery juice. That's the best juice. One of the best juices you can ever drink. It reduces your inflammation. You feel better, energized. If you have fever, drink cucumber juice. Give it to your kids. It's safe. It's created for us humans. So just bloody drink it. Alright? What else? Eat your lettuce. If you want to stay calm, have better sleep, eat lettuce. Tomatoes are good for your heart. They have lots of potassium. So as bananas. Eat loads of bananas every day. You can eat only bananas. You're going to be fine. Don't worry. There's no such thing as too much sugar in fruit. Forget about that crap. Sugar, it's sugar. Processed sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, whatever you want to call it. If you add sugar to whatever you're going to eat, that's sugar. Sugar in the fruit is not sugar, that's fructose, alright? And fructose is good for you. You need fructose. Because then you have glucose in your bloodstream. You need glucose in your bloodstream. Your brain needs glucose as well, right? Eat fat. I'm not talking about rapeseed oil. I'm not talking about coconut oil, which is alright, but don't eat any or drink any seed oils. All that crap. You're gonna have fatty liver. You're gonna have fatty veins, heart attack, Alzheimer, autoimmune disease, diabetes, you name all of that. That's from seed oils and sugars, all right? Remember that. Easy. So what fats are you talking about? I'm talking about animal fat. For thousands of years, people have been eating animal fat. They never had any problems. How do I know? How do I know? Oh, let's think. How do I know? Because when they came up with seed oils, then in 1950s, right? Heart diseases and cancer just spiked up all of a sudden out of nowhere. Wow. How do I know that? There's loads of stuff that indicates that. Eat your vegetables, eat animal fat, beef tallow. I don't recommend pork fat because, well, pig eats anything. That's like trash can. It eats its own poop, right? There's loads of antibiotics that pigs have to take, so don't really eat that. It even stinks, you shouldn't eat that because it stinks. And drink water, but not from the tap, because there's lots of fluoride, which is calcifying your pineal gland, and then you're dumb. Then you watch your movies, you're even dumber. And what else? Go outside. Stop watching those stupid videos. Well, watch my videos, obviously, but stop watching constantly videos, TV shows. Stop listening to music constantly. You're gonna be brainwashed. and have fun, play in the mud, build something from wood, take your kids outside. They'll thank you later. Remember, you have been created to take care of nature. So take care of it, and it will take care of you. Bye.